How to unlock SIM card on Realme smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to unlock SIM card on Realme smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch settings application on your Realme smartphone and navigate to password and security option. Scroll down, look for the option of system security and tap to access it. Now under device security, tap on SIM card lock. Now choose your SIM card. So in case if you have locked your SIM card, you will see lock SIM card option toggle on. So in order to unlock SIM card, you simply need to toggle off the button for lock SIM card and enter your PIN. And after that, you will successfully unlock SIM card on Realme smartphone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.